what's good, YouTube? It's your boy OmarioRpg. I hope you're having an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world. And today, for the first time on the channel, I am reacting to an anime that has just come out now. Literally, it is now 10 to 7 in the UK. This anime came out an hour and 50 minutes ago, I believe. Apologies if I've got the timing wrong. But it doesn't matter. Welcome to the channel. We are going to be reacting to Chainsaw Man. Bro, the whole time I've been reacting to anime, which has been just about a year now, watching anime and never watched anime, you know, back in the day, just Attack on Titan, Vinland Saga is basically what we've watched. Dororo, Arcane, I don't know if you'd count that, and One Punch Man. But now I am watching, I still haven't finished One Punch Man. Now I'm watching a brand new anime. I can't wait. I'm going to be watching this today, and I'm going to be watching Blue Lock, or whatever it's called, Blue Balls, one of them. So I'm going to be watching 2 new animes, and I cannot wait. So today's a good day for me. Anyway, hope you're all doing well. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. We're going to get straight into this. This has been so hyped up to me, and I cannot wait to watch it. So we're going to jump straight into it. Before we do, like, subscribe, patreon.com/OmarioRpg. Join it, only if you're in the position to. Never feel like you need to. It costs about a large cup of coffee a month. Nothing crazy. But yeah, if you want to watch, you know, none of the bars, none of that, no cuts, nothing, go check out the Patreon. If you are new to the channel, hello, I'm Omario. I love cake. Cake's delicious. Also, I'm a chilled reactor. I like to joke around. I like to pause and talk if this anime is like super deep. Sometimes I won't pause at all. Sometimes I'll pause 10 times an episode. But I like to react. If you're not looking for a reactor that just sits there and, you know, you can watch the show at the top right, this is the wrong place for that. But if you are here for a reaction where somebody's actually going to, you know, not, oh my god, fake react, I'm not that type of guy. I'll be like, oh, that's pretty cool. Then you're in the right place. If there is any music muted, probably the intro and stuff like that, you can use your brain and be like, oh, okay, it's probably copyrighted. And yeah, if the bars are there, the bars are here, you can use your brain and figure out why the bars are there and why there are cuts as well. Is that everything covered? Oh, and be kind to each other in the comments. Let's do it. Episode 1 of Chainsaw Man, ladies and gentlemen. I would probably say the most hyped anime of the year. Let me know if that's wrong or right. Probably the most hyped anime of the year. Let's do it. Episode 1 of Chainsaw Man, Dog and Chainsaw. A little bit more light in there. Damn. Is that CGI? That's got to be CGI. Okay. Holy crap, this looks clean! Oh, sorry, I've been watching One Punch Man. Expect to hear that a lot. This looks clean.
木切って月収6万だろ。この間売った腎臓が120万。右目が30万。金玉片方売って。
Take care. Whose man's is this? What are you doing, bruv? Did you at least, like, you know, have some fun, I guess, before you know, lost one of the old macadamias? Or the peanuts? Whatever, you know. Everyone's got different shapes and sizes. Man, I really didn't think this is how the reaction would start. But here we are. Chainsaw Man, ladies and gentlemen. I would say this guy's loaded, but he's not, because, you know, he's missing one of them. Not even for a... Oh, okay, so he's like super in debt. Okay. Wait a minute, hold up! Hold up! Oh. Okay, I can't wait to watch this intro. But hold up! Are we just gonna gloss over the fact that that dog's chain was, you know... Ugh. Let's watch the intro. Here we go. Should I watch the intro or should I just listen to the intro? Listen, I know JRPG games, animes, the intros are notoriously spoilery. Let's see if Chainsaw Man's smarter than that. Here we go. Funky. I love the beat. Holy crap, this show's clean. It's so chaotic. I don't like the song. I'm just going to say it. Don't click off, I swear. I'm just honest. I'm an honest person. It was alright. The song started great and then it just turned into too many different types of songs and it just didn't work. But the animation, the song may grow on me. Probably not. But the animation, clean. And I love the song, like the show intro, if that makes sense. But the song itself, is alright. Anyway, who cares about the intro? Let's get into the real meat of the show. I think that made sense.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね。種から復活するんで焼いといてください。
報酬は40万だ。
あざす。
そっから借金と利子引いて17万。さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料、管理調整費、その他もろもろを抜いて。
残りが7万。この7万から水道代を払って。
So, we're obviously living in a world where it's normal day, sort of, but devils are everywhere, one would assume. And I would assume there's good devils, because, you know, his dog. Clearly your first time smoking, mate. Who the hell smokes like that?
俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父のだがな。
悪魔を飼ってるやつにデビルハンターが務まるんですかね。おい、犬。このタバコ食ったら100円やるよ。
マジっすか。いただきます。
Take the money first.
また悪魔が出たら呼ぶ。逃げたら豚の餌だからな。
At least he paid him, I guess. Aww. I just said "ah" to a random red thing with a saw in its head.
食パンにはジャム塗って食うらしいぜ。まあ俺たちは普通なんて夢の話だけどな。死ぬまで借金返し終わる気しねえし。
It's super sad.
俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな。
Oh, I done it again.
夢叶うなら女抱いてから死にてえな。
Or before you sell one of your, well, the other one.
今月の分も払わねえうちに首つりや。
Oh no. Okay, so that's how.
物乞いするなり体売るなりして明日まで70万用意しろ。じゃなきゃお前の死体をばらして売る。
That's dark.
お前も死ぬのか。カメ、悪魔は血飲めば傷治るって聞いたことがある。死にたくないならカメ。
How does he have sharp teeth though? That's what I don't understand. Not him, not the dog, the nutty guy.
俺の血。
Gassa!
やっぱ俺も死にたくね。
Holy crap, that bass, that sound is so mad. The background music.
俺を
I wouldn't even call it music.
デビルハンターで雇ってくれませんか。
Super eerie.
腹減って眠れねえ。寝れねえと借金のこと考えてもっと寝れねえ。決めた。今日寝たら見る夢。食パンにジャム塗ってポチタと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。
Not bad.
いいだろ。
Oh shit. I can't get over how clean the animation is in the. We haven't even seen a fight yet, but just I don't know, maybe it's just I haven't watched a lot of anime, so I'm not the best to talk, but this looks so clean.
見させてほしいよな。
That's a trippy shot right there. This is the future. Art like this is the future.
見当たらないっすけど、どっか隠れたんすかね。
Could be a trap.
あ、もしかしてもう帰っちゃったとか。
Bro, get your hand out of that. Never mind. Poor dog.
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。俺たちヤクザもよ。もっ
Okay, I know he. That's crazy. I knew this guy was gonna probably do something to him. I don't think he'd just straight up kill him. Why does that guy behind him just not look human? Well, we're gonna find out. But anyway, that's what shocked me there. For like, what the hell? What is that guy? Anyway, even Yakuza think about getting bigger and making more money, kid.
と強くなって稼ぎてえからよ。
What the hell is going on?
と契約することにしたんだ。
Made a deal with the devil.
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
Oh my god.
望むのはデビルハンターの死。その力でゾンビになっちゃうんだけど
I was about to say he looked like a zombie, yeah.
ゾンビの悪魔だから。デビルハンターは僕ら悪魔殺すから嫌い。だから殺しちゃうんだ。みんな、そいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃって。くそ。
Kassa! And he's probably gonna make a deal with the dog and turn into Chainsaw Man. Damn!
何も金持ちになりたいわけじゃねえ。 ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに、んなことも叶えられねえのかよ。
I thought it was gonna end. I'm not gonna lie, it should have ended there. I would have ended it there. I would have ended it there, bro. But hey, I'm fine. More hey, hey, okay. Damn. So you yeeted him in the bin, huh? There we go. I mean, it wouldn't be a, you know,
ポチタ、仕事に行くぜ。
an anime or a JRPG without a flashbang.
そうしたらポチタだけが心残りだ。腹すかして死ぬかもしれねえし、他のデビルハンターに殺されるかもしれねえ。悪魔には死んだ人の体を乗っ取れるやつもいるらしい。
Ah.
ポチタにそれができるんだったら、俺の体をポチタにあげてんだ。
There you go.
俺の夢を叶えてくれよ。
What a weirdly, like, messed up, beautiful story. In a weird, messed up way. Oh, shit. Oh.
俺の体、ちゃんと奪えたか？
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
No!
傷が。
Pochita. At least it's not, you know, up your ass.
邪魔すんなら死ね！
How do you think of this? Who thinks of this? Who just wakes up and writes this down? GG's. Cool. Go for the brain. Well then, that just happened.
デビルハンターとして雇われてるからに。
Time to hunt some devils.
悪魔はぶっ殺さねえとね。てめえら全員殺せばよ。借金はバーだぜ。
What a madness. Does he get his nuts back? Because he's got a new body? Find out next week in Chainsaw Man.
生きてるのがいますね。
God, the sound design is so good. Okay. I guess she was, impressed by the length of, that one. Cool.
人だ
Human's a strong word.
ないね。乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるもん。君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に飼われるか。飼うならちゃんと餌はあげるよ。餌って朝飯はどんなの？食パンにバターとジャム塗ってサラダ、コーヒー、
Nice. Nice.
デザート
Nice.
かな？最高じゃないっすか。
Not bad. Not bad. You want to know my favorite thing about the episode? Is that the dialogue wasn't all for nothing. And at the end, like, the way he kept talking about bread, butter, and... I'm pretty sure he was just talking about bread and jam, but how it, like, all circled round to that gets me excited for more, like... That means you got to pay attention. I know probably some of you are just thinking, bro, it's just, you're just talking about a dream having a sandwich, but some people have simple dreams, man. Some people have simple dreams. That was a bloody brilliant first impression of a show. Well played. Well played. I'll be honest. I was hooked once I realized you had to sell, That's when I realized, once they brought that shit up, I was like, hey, yo, the show... Fair enough. Fair enough. Obviously, there's more to it than that. But I was just thinking, okay, this show's gonna like just go all over the place, and let's see how it works. This show is gonna be crazy chaotic, but it's gonna be beautifully chaotic. That's how I feel. And we'll see. We'll see if it plays out like that. The action was great, but I'm really impressed with the dialogue scenes. I'm a dialogue guy. I love action. Dialogue makes the action pay off, right? Good dialogue, good characters make when the action happens pay off. 0-7s for Puchita. Is he... Now, I guess Puchita's not dead. I'm assuming it's going to be like a thing where he can like see him in his mind or dreams maybe or something. Because we did see him there at the end. And he literally had a perfect voice as well for the character. Is his name Denji, the main guy? I think his name's Denji. Whatever his name is, One Ball Man. Speaking of balls, I'm going to be watching Blue Lock next. Make sure you stay tuned for that. We call that a segue. Blue Lock's like a new sports anime. It's going to be my first ever sports anime, so looking forward to that. But anyway, Denji gets my... If you're new to the channel, I give an MVP vote, and I tell you my favorite moment of the show. MVP, obviously, is going to be Denji. My favorite moment, I really like that last scene with the pink-haired girl. How it circled round to him finally, just getting his bread and jam. Like, because that's a payoff to me, right? The show kept showing him eating bread and talking about how he's just wants a normal life just to eat bread and jam. It's just a nice, simple delicacy. And then you've got your payoff of him getting it at the end. Do you know what I mean? The fight was amazing. If I was to be nitpicky and say there's one thing that's how do I say this? The chainsaw sound, man. It got so bloody loud in my head. So, I don't know if you guys are watching with headphones, but to everyone who's watching with headphones, I'd love your feedback on this. There were some scenes where the audio, and this is super nitpicky, but hey, no show's perfect. There were some scenes where the audio wasn't quiet, it was perfect. And then, bro, like it got ear-breakingly loud. but I don't want to turn it down because then it would be too quiet in the dialogue scenes. I think I'm just old. Yeah, I'll probably go with that. But yeah, my favorite moment was at the end. My favorite moment was I really like the Puchita scene on how they met. That was really good as well. Honestly, I'm impressed. This was really good. I enjoyed almost every second of this show. Great first impression. Oh, the intro was doo-doo. Yeah, sorry, love. Sorry, lads. I know you guys like your intros, but come on, let's be honest. Was that intro that good? The animation, the intro on the screen visually was beautiful. You know what? I forgot to listen to the outro. Let's do it. Okay. Okay. Here's the drop. This should have been the intro. This should have been the intro. This should have been the intro. They flopped. This is a banger. This is actually a banger. Oh! No, this should have been the intro. What a tune! What a tune! That was so much better than the intro. Let me hear your thoughts. Intro or outro, what was better? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the reaction. Be sure to like and subscribe and join the Patreon. It's a great way to support me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time for more Chainsaw Man. Thanks for being you. Bye-bye.